Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at this. This is the BeBang digital microscope, and I got this for £35 from Amazon. This was a Christmas present off my mum. So yeah, before we take a look inside, let's take a quick look at the box. So it says the magnification is 200 to 1000 times, 0 to 45mm focus distance, f2.8 aperture. Comes with a 2.0 inch screen, and it records images and videos. So it does images at 4032 by 2520 JPEG, and it does videos at 1080p, and those are AVIs. And it also comes with a 32GB SD card. So we'll take a quick look at that. So let's open it up. So it comes in this nice little case. There we are. So let's take a look inside. It comes with a manual, but we're probably not going to read that. And comes with a carrying strap and a USB-C cable to USB-A. So I think you can connect this to a computer and you can use it as a webcam as well. And you can also upload the images and videos to your PC. And this is the microscope. It's very small. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. And also comes with these slides. Take a look at that. Comes with these glass slides with various samples. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Okay, let's take a quick look at the microscope. So we turn it on by holding down this button. There we go. Just wait for that to load. Okay, so we can access the settings by pressing the home button, and we've got photo, video, playback and settings. So let's just go to settings. So we've got English, resolution, HD and FHD. That's interesting. Okay, let's just keep that as HD. And we've got image quality. We can set that to 2 megapixel if we want. Cyclic record, don't know what that does. And date tag and time setting. That's wrong, so we'll leave that. Exit out of that. Oh God. Okay, so if we want to record a video, we go to video and we choose OK. So now we can put in one of those slides. So let's take a quick look at the slide. So we've got fly mouthparts, WM. We've got a honeybee foreleg, WM. We've got a pine stem. And we've got a Tilia stem, whatever one of those is, I don't know, but we'll find out. And tail CS, I don't know what that is either. Okay, so let's go with number 1 first, the fly mouthparts. So it's got a little slot at the bottom, and we put the slide in like so. That comes out the other side. Wow, look at that. Let's try and get a close up of that. There we go. There's a bit of glare off the light. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, so if I move this knob to the left, it should zoom out. So let's try and zoom out all the way. There we go. Okay, so that's the maximum zoom out. That's 200 times. So let's zoom back in all the way. There you go, and you can adjust it to get a sharper image. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm going to record a video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit in the video so you can see what I see on the screen. So yeah, this is the mouth of a fly apparently. You can see all the hairs on it as well. Ugh. Oh yeah, it's also got a digital zoom as well, so you can zoom in up to 1000 times. So let's try that. There you go. Look at that, that's amazing. But I did try out the digital zoom, and it did make everything very pixelated, very noisy, the image. So we'll leave that as 200 times. Okay, so let's try the next one. So this is honeybee foreleg. So let's put that in. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You can see all the hairs on the leg. Let's try doing it the other way. There we go. Nice, look at that. Very cool. Okay, let's try the next one. Number 3 is the Tilia stem. No idea what a Tilia stem is. Wow, there we go. Cool, look at that. That is a very nice image. So I'm guessing this is the stem of a flower or a plant, some kind of plant. Wow, look at that detail. You can see the cells. It's amazing. Wow. And if we zoom out, you can see it. There's a whole thing. Very cool. Okay, let's take a quick look at the pine stem. There we go. Okay, let's zoom in. Wow, that is cool. Yeah, I think you can order these slides from Amazon with all kinds of different samples. So I may do that. I may order some because this is pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's take a quick look at whatever this is. Tail CS. Again, I have no idea what this is, so if anyone knows, do let me know. That is pretty cool. Okay, let's try it with something else. So I've got here a circuit board that I designed in 2018. It's pretty bad, but yeah, let's see if we can zoom in on the traces on the text. So let's take a look. So let's click record. Oh, there we go. There's my name. Let's zoom out. There we go, chrisellison.uk. WS2811 RGB LED strip controller. Zoom in on one of the pads. Sorry about the glare, guys, on the camera. Yeah, you can get pretty close there. You can see the metal of the pad. There's one of the traces. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's zoom out. Let's try it with something else. Okay, so I've got a chip here. I can't make out the part number. It's just an 8-pin chip. So let's try that. Ah, there we go. I think it's upside down. There we go, L652N, KBR 501. I have no idea what this chip is or why I have it. Weird. ST. Wow, look at that. Cool. Yeah, KBR 501. I have no idea what this chip is. Can we zoom in? Yes, we can. Wow, look at that. And there's the pin, the leg. Okay, let's try it with an LED. I've got a clear LED here. So let's see if we can get a close-up of the internals of the LED. Where are we? There we are. No, that's can't get a clear picture of that. I think the light's shining off the case. I was hoping to get a picture of the bond wire between the anode and the cathode. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I also forgot to include this. This is the focusing guide. Let's just zoom out there. So this came with the microscope. Just tells you how to focus and zoom. And this is the photography and video guide. Tells you how to take photos and record videos. So yeah, that was a quick look at the BeBang digital microscope. It's pretty cool. as I say, you can use it as a webcam device, I think. So you can hook it up to your computer and you can use it with OBS, which is pretty cool. And also you can download pictures from the 32GB memory card, micro SD card. Just slots in there like so. And it also has a brightness knob as well, but I didn't need to use that. And it's also got a tripod mounting hole, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that was the BeBang digital microscope. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.